course he's in his bucket. Here we have a little Bodhi cat in his stroller. Aw, look how cute the Bodhi cat looks. I don't want to zoom in too close because I don't want to wake him up. See, he loves his stroller. He just doesn't like wearing the harness. Hey, buddy. Hi. Aww. You're so cute. But if I touch you, you'll bite me, won't you? Yeah. Oh. Yeah. No? Okay. Okay. All right. I'll let you sleep. I'll let you sleep. You want to shake hands? Yeah? Oh? Huh? You got to go out this morning? Yeah, you did. You did. All right. Uh-oh. You're drawing your hooks in. Time to say goodbye.